Okay, I'm going to do a special unpackaging video here. I got a package from someone that inspired me to start this channel in the first place. And I'll show you the name here. I've been watching his videos for years, and he's got really good content. And like I said, he inspired me to start my channel, start doing something. And you could learn a hell of a lot from this man. But I ordered some stuff because I needed it, and he had it. And if he's got a store, he sells spray guns and auto body accessories. This got here ultra fast. I mean, I ordered it and it was here within 3 days. But yeah, Spray Away, if you watch the video, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate the content and my little product here. I mean, you can see this is exceptionally well packaged. He did a really good job. And what we got, guys, is we got these inline air filters. These are your gun filters. He sells these on his website, which is SpraywayCustoms.com. And basically, these will take the place of this one on your regulator. You'll get better performance out of these. You put them on here. If you watch any of his videos, he uses the same one that's there. But yeah, I just wanted to give some thanks to this guy because he did inspire me to do this. And yeah, I'm just starting out, but see, it's even got a little air bleeder valve there for water, so you can get the water out of it after you use it. Anyway, that is that. And Sprayway Customs. And thank you, brother.